My name is Philip. Look at this old man. He's my team player, Logan. He's also my grandpa. I live with Logan since I was born. He's my friend, my playmate, my mentor. The older I grow, the older he gets. Until one day, Grandpa's memory started to play tricks on him.
Where are my glasses?
Water, Logan.
Thank you.
And who are you, son?
Grandpa once told me,
Come on, get up!
when life lets you down, never get defeated.
Fight back!
Nothing is too hard when you got someone to defend. It's my turn to be Grandpa's guard now. Hi, Grandpa. I'm your assistant, Philip. Just look around. Here are your glasses. Well, I guess you don't need them anymore. Wherever you are, I'll lead you home.
Come on, give me a hug.
Yeah.
This is great.
Life with my grandpa becomes amazing again. Now he even tried to be a developer. He's a real fighter.